The secret to maintaining youthful and radiant skin through the food and vitamins you eat. There are 12 top anti-aging foods and vitamins to help you look young and full of vitality. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is an important nutrient for maintaining good health and preventing aging. It is a fat-soluble vitamin, which means it can be stored in the body and does not need to be consumed daily. Vitamin A is important for maintaining the health of many different organs in the body, including the skin, immune system, and respiratory system. Vitamin A promotes collagen production, a protein that gives the skin elasticity and helps prevent wrinkles and crow's feet. Vitamin A has antioxidant properties that protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin A is also important for eye health, helping to maintain good vision and prevent age-related vision problems such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Vitamin A is also important for maintaining a healthy immune system by promoting the production of white blood cells. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is an essential fat-soluble nutrient that is often overlooked despite its many benefits. This important vitamin plays a vital role in blood clotting, bone health, and preventing oxidative damage. Vitamin K has the ability to promote healthy blood clotting by activating proteins that help the blood clot and prevent excessive bleeding. Vitamin K is also involved in the formation of healthy bones, as it is needed for the activation of specific proteins that are essential for bone formation. Vitamin K also plays a role in preventing oxidative damage by activating an enzyme called glutathione reductase, which helps neutralize free radicals in the body. Vitamin K has been shown to have anti-aging benefits, helping to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, osteoporosis, and certain types of cancer. Vitamin K also has antioxidant properties that help protect cells from damage and slow down the aging process. Vitamin K can regulate the length of telomeres, which can help slow down aging and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Telomeres are protective caps on our DNA strands that shorten as we age. Vitamin K can be found in many foods, including egg yolks, liver, and dairy products. Blueberries. Blueberries are a small, sweet, and juicy berry native to North America. They are packed with nutrients and have been shown to have a number of health benefits. One of their most notable benefits is their potential to help slow down the aging process and promote overall health. One of the main ways that blueberries may help fight aging is through their high antioxidant content. Blueberries contain high levels of antioxidants such as anthocyanins and resveratrol, which are thought to help protect against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. Blueberries are rich in heart-healthy nutrients such as fiber, potassium, and vitamin C, which have been shown to lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Blueberries have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce the risk of age-related diseases such as arthritis and dementia. Blueberries have a positive impact on brain health and cognitive function, improving memory and cognitive function, and may help reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline and diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin that is essential for good health and preventing aging. Vitamin C plays an important role in the production of collagen. Vitamin C also helps brighten the skin and improve its overall appearance by reducing the effects of sun damage and promoting skin cell renewal. Vitamin C is important for the health of the immune system. Vitamin C helps boost the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and diseases, and it may also help reduce the severity and duration of colds and other infections. Vitamin C plays a role in maintaining good cardiovascular health, helping to reduce levels of bad cholesterol in the blood, which can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries and increase the risk of heart disease. You should aim to get vitamin C from a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables, such as oranges, strawberries, broccoli, and bell peppers. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables such as kale, spinach, and others are among the most nutritious foods you can eat. They are an excellent source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which are essential for maintaining a healthy and youthful body. One of the main benefits of consuming green leafy vegetables is that they are high in antioxidants. Green leafy vegetables are also a rich source of vitamins and minerals, which are essential for maintaining a healthy and youthful body. For example, Green leafy vegetables are a good source of iron, calcium, and potassium, all of which are essential for overall health and well-being. Green leafy vegetables are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them an ideal food for people who are looking to maintain a healthy weight and prevent obesity. Green leafy vegetables are also rich in phytonutrients, which are plant-based compounds that have been shown to have positive effects on health. For example, kale is high in glucosinolates, which are compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Spinach, on the other hand, is high in lutein and zeaxanthin, which are antioxidants that help protect the eyes from damage and maintain good vision. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for maintaining good health and preventing aging. Vitamin E helps moisturize the skin and keep it hydrated, which can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Vitamin E also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe irritated skin and reduce redness and puffiness. Vitamin E helps reduce the formation of blood clots and blood vessels, which can block blood flow and cause serious health problems. Vitamin E can be found in many foods, including nuts, seeds, oils, and green leafy vegetables. Avocados. Avocados are a unique and versatile food that offers a wide range of health benefits. They are known for their creamy texture, delicious flavor, and high fat content, making them a staple in many healthy diets. Avocados are often referred to as a superfood due to their high nutrient content, making them a valuable addition to any diet. One of the main benefits of avocados is that they are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to have positive effects on cardiovascular health. Monounsaturated fats help lower levels of bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Avocados are also an excellent source of fiber, which helps regulate digestion and helps you feel full and satisfied. Another benefit of avocados is their high vitamin and mineral content, including potassium, magnesium, and vitamins K, B6, and C. Avocados are rich in phytochemicals, which are plant-based compounds that have been shown to have positive effects on health. For example, avocados are high in carotenoids, which are compounds that help protect the body from damage caused by UV rays. Avocados are a versatile food that can be used in a variety of dishes, making it easy to incorporate them into your daily diet. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for maintaining good health and preventing aging. This vitamin is often called the sunshine vitamin because it is produced in the body when the skin is exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D plays an important role in maintaining strong bones and teeth, as it helps the body absorb calcium, which is essential for building and maintaining healthy bones. Vitamin D also helps regulate calcium levels in the blood, which is important for maintaining good cardiovascular health. Vitamin D also plays a role in maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin D may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, such as breast cancer and prostate cancer. Vitamin D is found in a few foods, such as fatty fish, egg yolks, and mushrooms. Vitamin D levels can also be measured with a blood test. It is important to note that while sunlight is the best source of vitamin D, excessive exposure to UV rays can increase the risk of skin cancer. Wild salmon. Wild salmon is a flavorful and highly nutritious fish that is widely recognized for its numerous health benefits. One of the main benefits of wild salmon is its high omega-3 fatty acid content, which is essential for maintaining a healthy and youthful body. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and have been shown to help reduce the risk of heart disease, arthritis, and other chronic diseases. They also help improve cognitive function, maintain healthy skin, and reduce the risk of depression. Another benefit of wild salmon is its high protein content, which is essential for maintaining healthy muscles and bones. Protein is also an important component of every cell in the body and is needed for repairing and rebuilding tissues. Wild salmon is also a good source of vitamins B12 and D, which are essential for maintaining good health and well-being. Vitamin B complex. The B-complex vitamins refer to a group of 8 B vitamins that are essential for maintaining good health and preventing aging. These vitamins are water-soluble, which means they are not stored in the body and need to be replenished regularly through diet or supplements. Each B vitamin plays a specific role in the body and has its own individual benefits. For example, B1 thiamine, helps convert food into energy. B2 riboflavin, helps maintain healthy skin. And B3 niacin, helps lower cholesterol levels and improve cardiovascular health. B vitamins are also important for maintaining a healthy nervous system. B1 thiamine and B6 pyridoxine play a role in the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals in the brain. B12 cobalamin helps protect nerve cells and maintain their proper function. B vitamins also work together to support the overall health of the body. For example, B vitamins help reduce stress, improve memory and concentration, and support healthy metabolism. B vitamins can be found in many foods, including whole grains, nuts, seeds, and green leafy vegetables. B vitamin supplements are also available. A balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains is the best way to ensure that the body gets all the B vitamins it needs to function optimally. Nuts. Nuts are a versatile and nutritious food that offers a wide range of health benefits. They are packed with essential nutrients and healthy fats, and are an important part of many healthy diets. One of the main benefits of nuts is their high healthy fat content, which is essential for maintaining a healthy and youthful body. Nuts are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are healthy fats that help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for maintaining energy and avoiding cravings. Another benefit of nuts is their high protein content, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. Protein is also important for maintaining healthy muscles and bones, and is needed for many other important functions in the body. Nuts are also a good source of fiber, which helps regulate digestion and helps you feel full and satisfied. In addition to their nutritional content, nuts are also a versatile food that can be used in a variety of dishes. Nuts are a convenient and portable food that can be easily added to your daily diet. Olive oil. Olive oil is a versatile and flavorful ingredient that has been used for cooking and food preparation for centuries. This golden liquid is not only delicious but also packed with health benefits, making it an essential part of many healthy diets. Olive oil is high in antioxidants. These antioxidants can help reduce the risk of cancer, heart disease, and other chronic diseases. Olive oil is also a good source of vitamin E, which is an important nutrient for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and eyes. Olive oil is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. Olive oil is also a great substitute for unhealthy fats such as butter and hydrogenated oils, making it an important part of a healthy diet. A balanced diet, exercise, and drinking plenty of water can work wonders for your skin, hair, and overall health.